On top of the issues on the roads, the intermodal yard where the Public Works puts shipping containers to move trash is also flooded. Public Works says that they're doing okay, but they are warning that this could create a backlog at their drop-off sites in the coming days.
It has reached some of the shipping containers. Those are fine. The rail lines are fine. They do have water around them too, but right now it's the impact to our truck traffic. So the water is up to the axles and the chassis. So we've moved those truck and chassis up to other facilities.
On top of the flooding at the yard, it's more of a challenge to make through the pickup routes since the flooding is closing roads as well. We're also told that the road crews are out there trying to fix the damage from last week's snow and ice storms.